Hello everyone, with spring just around the corner, it's time to put the batteries back in the toys. There's a good chance that it'll start right up. That was easy. It was a little bit loud though. Put on your headphones, it's pretty loud. Also, when I'm driving, I'm seeing the headlight shake like that from the wind, and I can't keep it like that. I can't endure that. In order to get to the screws, you have to open up the headlights. There's one on each side and there's two in the back there. There's two more in the back there. So in order to get to these screws, you have to open up the headlights. And then your headlight covers should come right. Nice and easy. I want to take my time because I just got them painted. I don't want to scratch them up. So these parts are almost impossible to get. This came from a car that had been accidented and a little bit damaged. I'm not complaining, it got me around. The other one too is damaged on the driver's side. But this one here, it's all cracked over here. So this part, it was a little bit cheaper than the other parts, but this is way cracked and it didn't support the headlight. So I bought the brand new part, and that's going to get me going. These slots here allow you to adjust it forward and back. So don't be skipping this step. Take your time to get it done properly. And this one, and this one allow you to put your headlights adjusted up and down at the same time. So that too, take your time to do that properly. And then while you have the up and down adjusted, you can look at your gaps for here. This one has to come up quite a bit. But this one here, I think this one here might need to come down a little bit too. Now that everything is adjusted properly, you can tighten everything up. And now I'm just doing some testing.